Hey guys, you're watching Boondocking with Dennis. Rockport, Texas. Going to head up to Rockport Beach. This is the nesting area. They kind of have it blocked off to humans. They ask that you stay out of it. And it allows a lot of the migratory birds a safe place to lay their eggs, raise their chicks, and move on. So they won't cut any of the grass here for a few months. Morning, Kevin. Right about now, it still has the last remnants of the Texas wildflowers. And it is gorgeous. I wanted to tell you a story. In a faraway kingdom a long time ago, there was a very happy king and queen, and they had 3 lovely daughters. The first daughter walked up to the king and said, "Father, how did I get my name?" The king said, "Well, you were born on a windy day. Just after your birth, a rose petal landed right on your forehead, and we named you Rose." "Thank you, Father." The next daughter came up and said, "Father, how did I get my name?" "You were born on a windy day. A buttercup landed right on your forehead. We named you Buttercup." "Thank you, Father." The third daughter came up and said, "Ugh!" And the king said, "Shut up, Brick." I hope you all chipped in for gas money, because that was a long way to go for that joke. This is a pretty area. Nice area to lay your eggs in, don't you think? People driving by with a little mariachi music, little Tejano music, not mariachi. I'll learn my categories one day. It's a pretty time of year to live in South Texas. I think we're getting up to about 86 degrees today, and there's a chance of thunder showers, maybe a 30% chance, depending on which news report you read or what app you look at. Apparently, there's a lot of dead wrong Dale weathermen in the world. If you don't know, our local KRIS TV station out of Corpus Christi has a weatherman named Dale, who seems like a great guy. It must be very hard to predict the weather here, because he has earned the name of Dead Wrong Dale. Don't go in here unless you want to get dive bombed by some anxious parent birds. And I see some idiots doing it from time to time. Let's go see what kind of trouble we can get in today. Looks like everyone's getting paired off but me. Wind's coming directly from behind me today, so I'm using the truck to block the wind. The birds will usually face directly into the wind. Keeps them from getting their feathers ruffled. This is like a seagull nude beach over here. Kevin, have you no couth? Yes. I thought I heard some of the black skimmers earlier, but I don't see any right now. Wonder if they moved over to that other roped off area. Yes. It was nice looking at the dolphins. Well, guys, I appreciate y'all. Thanks for hanging out with me for a little bit. Hope the rest of your day goes well. Looks like the sun is trying to come out. Maybe we'll get a shot at a sunset. Thanks for riding along today. Thanks for watching.